A is for alligator, A is for arrow, A is for apple, A is for avocado, A is for ambulance. B is for banana, B is for ball, B is balloon, B is for basket, B is for baby. C is for clock, C is for candy, C is for cake, C is for cap, C is for cat, C is for candle. D is for drum, D is for dog, D is for deer, D is for diamond, D is for doll. E is for egg, E is for eggplant, E is for eagle, E is for earth, E is for elephant. F is for fan, F is for fire, F is for frog, F is for flower, F is for fish, F is for fox. G is for grapes, G is for guitar, G is for gift, G is for giraffe. H is for hammer, H is for hamster, H is for horse, H is for house, H is for hat, H is for hair. I is for ice cream, I is for eyes, I is for iron, I is for insect, I is for igloo. J is for jug, J is for jar, J is for jaguar, J is for jam, J is for jelly. K is for koala, K is for kettle, K is for kiwi, K is for knife, K is for key, K is for ketchup. L is for lamp, L is for llama, L is for lion, L is for leaf, L is for ladybug, L is for lime. M is for mushroom, M is for muskmelon, M is for milk, M is for mouse, M is for monkey. N is for nut, N is for nurse, N is for nose, N is for nail, N is for noodles. O is for owl, O is for octopus, O is for ostrich, O is for orange, O is for onion. P is for pen, P is for pineapple, P is for panda, P is for pencil, P is for pig. Q is for queen, Q is for question, Q is for quail, Q is for quick. R is for rainbow, R is for rose, R is for rabbit, R is for rain. S is for sun, S is for socks, S is for ship, S is for strawberry, S is for star. T is for train, T is for thunder, T is for tiger, T is for tomato, T is for tree. U is for umbrella, U is for UFO, U is for unicorn, U is for uniform. V is for vegetable, V is for vinegar, V is for violin, V is for vulture, V is for vase. W is for wax, W is for watch, W is for whale, W is for wave. X is for xylophone, X is for X-ray, X is for Christmas tree. Y is for yarn, Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yolk, Y is for yogurt, Y is for yam. Z is for zoo, Z is for zip, Z is for zebra, Z is for zigzag.